Peace and Bula. Everybody, welcome to another beautiful vlog. Guys, we are traveling to Berlin on a tourism, I don't know, ITB. It's happening in Berlin. So now I'm in the train, getting the train from Osnabrück, Kelle, Hanover, and then motor Berlin. Hope you watch till the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. My impossibles.
Let's take this vibe worldwide. Come feel the burning out of vibe. Welcome in, come stand beside. Just a like, share, and subscribe. Let's take this vibe worldwide.
Now it is left. Hanover, Bano. Go Hanover. Wanna check in Cali. So now another 2 hours to Berlin. Rotalawa to Berlin. Bula, welcome to Berlin. Sorry. That's the train that brought us from Osnabrück. Now I have to look for platform 6. Karena platform 6 mo boleh kan nunggu segitu. Berasa Berlin ya. Kalau kau mana tahu nilai lain, kami suatu waktu nasi nilai bago, viri sara. Okay guys, mau sampai pulau sekarang kau nunggu sedikit ya. Doang anak kalah sama ya tuh YouTube. Mau banggaran abus, oh nanu mana tuh kena rata mata saya nggak. Oh sama reta kok misi nih nggak. Takap sekarang nunggu sedikit. Tak salah kami itu mbak. Oh cah wili kata lah message waktu temevi untuk nangga saya. Oh my god, tu no pa make sure to stamp your ticket. Rada na bono ke be thinking makino ko chikitengo na bono. Ya na bono ngo. Hindi talaga na nada na catch tam. Ko so bembiti ke yo na senila botirango. Langa ngona ninda kai beach nda ke be mai. Tu no bono bango. Otsinga donanga siliu saramai. Onga se somo chinga na chikite santongo. Ko alam sarami ke mai stampa takai. Nunggu sete ko ngani stampa taka bago sengai ko sargago. Yo ngomo bangkara nunggu train. Wana bono chikina hotel. No manda ke na Google. Sabano ni bina hotel. Mai toso. Okay guys, we already check in. Hangay tunggu na kat. Tos tunggu na room. th floor. Room number 8. Now we are at the room. Room munggo. Harap ito mikir na kita. Kalau boleh sili. Holiday. Kau. Wih, lalu tu na fridge. Masa nanti nampak tilo mana grok. Tahu-tahu nikah ingo. Tuki rumi. Iyo. So, I have to message the guy who's in charge of this event. Okay. Now let's explore the hotel or explore the city. Hendra, guten Morgen. Hendra Binaka from Berlin. En rabin arcade. Yuk. Awar rutu kona itos-toso ni intelligent. Melingkar rabin itabi. Saya butuh-butuh to kongkor. Tok kasar tungan na sistem ni paparau. Bongi gitu langali ba itabi. O jali pik tu mo kai ba tikendo tala ngonela nrutuma. Komentanis kome mekita langani ko. Iyo, abarongo na menggarbe ni tavi, mulai sumber na karoni hotel. Ibuna na take teka buki na songo. Ono sana muna blog to kan balalai. Maran tambo bulong utto ni kina. Ni tau talangan dana marutakan tos songo. So tawa kay wichi so na mataral ko may wichi. Minister ni Tourism sinona CEO at kena sona ngoni wich sapa nuni binakate toso. Bula guys, we are now at the hotel where na have kina songo atungo kai tuki ngo sarana Fijian warrior tu dengo baru sulu tagi ngo to sasar mandani me sulu tagi. Rombol-rombol itu na sombo-sombo. Itu marah-marah karena hasil mati ini.
Jumjira, tabel tuh, jadi orang permira. Sa ojo ya, orang dia.
Ani sih matat.
Ani bising sama.
Kayak porong tuh bayang pagi serang gitu laut.
Memang ini tidak. Mama tak? Kemarin BMN-nya Pak Molung.
Semua itu.
Hah? Oh enak wae. Yang kurang.
Aku ntar mau terkawal. Serangan kuliah. Ma.
Siap? Mbak Susu? Oh, ya oke sih. Itu udah benar. Siap kori, mai. Masih?
Ada dua. Soal meramani palang lagi.
Mau. Kalau antara satu mewah itu. Ori, apa sih ala isi? Siap. Untuk kita ya?
Resumbo.
Jelas saja untuk kalkulasi itu ada di tambang. Masa ibu kali ini atom kami. Siap.
Bawa apa katanya? Paling mampu.
Kau sini lah, ini miat lagi.
Tengah lo.
Oh ya baik. Masa dengan
Gua banyak error di situ muat. Avarulumuku ni koe vida kay Chamani.
Mai. Tosso viti tosso.
Ya me meto bagay. Okay, let's go. Start mo the program.
Our own CEO, Dr. Paresh Pant, CEO, Airports Fiji, Mr. Masaki Malari, Chief Marketing and Sales Officer, Kamal, from Fiji Airways, and Fiji Senior Executive Support Officer, Ben Dubon. Welcome to Berlin. Our team, myself, Connie, Robbie, ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you to Fiji this morning. And I would like to acknowledge and thank our partners from the travel trade and press who've come from Germany, Switzerland, Austria, Italy, France, Sweden, Denmark, UK, Singapore, Malta, New Zealand, and Australia. It gives us great pleasure to be here at ITB, bringing Fiji's warmth to this corner of the world, and I'm glad that actually that has happened. We've got some lovely weather this week, at last, after a very long winter. And I'd also like to acknowledge our Fiji partners here today, from Fiji Airways, APTC.
Good everyone.
Bula!
Thank you for offering to give up your time to be here to support Fiji. We value your support. We also value the time taken by the Fiji partners to be here to bring put them out here for you and to answer your questions. Now,
the CEO of Tourism Fiji, Dr. Paresh Pant, the Regional Manager for Tourism Fiji for UK Europe, Jane West, distinguished trade, media, and partners, ladies and gentlemen, good morning.
Bula.
It is a pleasure to join you here in Berlin alongside our team from Tourism Fiji. It is especially nice being favored with Fiji weather during this period in Berlin. In my recent visits to ITB, it was very different. Germany and the wider European market have long been valued partners for Fiji, not simply as visitors, but as couple travelers who seek and learn authenticity and meaningful connection. Today I would like to share with you where Fiji is heading, not just as a destination, but as a tourism economy evolving with purpose. I'm sure, ladies and gentlemen, you've heard the news by now, but I'm still excited to share that Fiji has officially been removed from the European Union's list of non-cooperative jurisdictions for tax purposes. We were blacklisted for a number of years, and it's exciting that it has been lifted. I know these were the long-term impediments impacting investments and trade with the European Union. Being removed from the list means we are now recognized as meeting international tax governance and transparency standards. This improves confidence among foreign investors and partners like yourselves. And this is a strong signal to a European market and the rest of the world. Ladies and gentlemen, our tourism strategy is clear: quality growth. You may know tourism is Fiji's largest foreign exchange earner, contributing some 42% to its GDP. Last year, as highlighted by the CEO, we welcomed close to 1 million visitors by air, but if you factor in the arrivals by cruise liners, we exceeded over 1 million visitors. The European market saw a significant growth and helping make the numbers that we needed up, and as highlighted by the CEO, you spend much more higher than some of the overall to Fiji. When you talk about 1 million visitors, I know when I talk to my colleagues in tourism, Minister of Tourism, they talk about numbers that are much more than 1 million. But for an island country, that is significant. And today, those of you who know the lay of the land in Fiji, that tourism is still very much centered on mostly 3 provinces out of 14. So government policy with its sustainable framework is to grow tourism across the archipelago. Our focus is not on volume alone. We are deliberately shaping a model that balances economic return, environmental stewardship, and community benefit. Connectivity, ladies and gentlemen, is central to a partnership with Europe. Our national carrier, as highlighted, Fiji Airways, has undergone remarkable growth and modernization. Fleet expansion, network optimization, and strengthened global partnerships have significantly enhanced our reach. While Fiji is geographically distant, we are increasingly well connected through key hubs in Asia and North America, ensuring long-haul access to European travelers. Our strategy is not simply about doing seats. It is about strategic hub connectivity, strong co-share relationships, schedule reliability, premium long-haul service standards. With Fiji Airways as part of the One World Alliance, Fiji Airways
Kongori. Unci. Big bingo. Oi, tek sarang ako ya. Alok. Post manda na entertain. Now we have to fill our stomach manda, cause grog is coming later. Or I think I'm going to start sarangan Ambia. The apple juice.
So one with everyone, yes?
Okay.
So only 6 left.
I was made to say I had to tuck it yesterday. Yeah. We're going to have uni, yes.
We'll pay you extra just for this.
I hope so.
Pay your lunch.
We'll put your name on Google review. Best photographer in the city.
Don't forget your talents. You're here to take photos.
One leg.
Two.
Okay. Oh boy.
All right. And oh god. What is that?
That is good.
That's a serious show. But that's cool. Okay. All right. Thank you. Which one is your?
Yeah, now we are in the location where they're doing this ITB. So this is where Australia, New Zealand, other South Pacific countries, and South Asia is located. So guys, now we are at the Fiji booth. Kartuna Maldives medaka New Zealand go. Tahiti, Australia. Gosona teman-teman romo APTC All Pacific Travel Concept Fiji Airways Matamanoa Rossi Holidays Woli Beach Resort Yasawa Island Resort Mutuzola Vina North Africa ngo Pedango Ranyo Sefike Orange Star Travel the world. Woi sengai sa non rampu orang ko sa kalasara. Sa kalele busara.
Competition to win?
Iyo.
This one here, only one.
Kento kalele sana. Oh my god. Ini may bas ngali ako. Chili chicken. Go Korean style. So nga dessert go.
Like this at Nivinto morning. Hey, water ko ice po.
Yun. Style pinakasarahan ko. Tanay idea pinakamayibigin ko. Dote ko man na company ko. Egypt ko. Narto booth na Egypt. Hap. Ato ka may chipita.
Lerto mo, lain ni sir tama-tama.
Dari lama.
Lain apa? Wala.
May takoso. So now you're entering Egypt. Go. Uy, siya nga boy. Dapat talo man to na mama. Gori Alfanici. Kay tamba, tuko betam. Mam tamba kit. Gua nga pamatalilay nito Fijian Maui, may panamoana. Kay ada ba may dapat to kasi ganito ada pa muray.
Dapat ini Career Expo.
Ani tourism eh.
Tourism O ngangi. Building ko semua adalah kan udah bisa udah to malah
Banggo bebe.
Ko pura-pura.
Iyo.
Ya bu auto channel ko pura-pura sih ke mi matan tutan. Kai tunggo.
Arumu mana kita ucingin nango bola kan 5 ramita ya antong arumu.
Tong arum.
Yebe vida ono se bitu cuka arumu.
Ma. Kai intele ni pura-pura ko ya besar mai Nepal.
Afrika. Dubai. Abang orto apa nani Palu?
Iyo.
Middle East.
Sangga itu bawa wasi-wasi. South Pacific go unarai go tanpa. Go
Australia.
Australia.
Kata katungo rapati.
New
New
Zealand.
Zealand sandongo.
Tahiti.
Tahiti sandoya.
Tahiti. Asara lima Indonesia.
Cook Islands nda kuibici chikono Cook Islands.
Ko ya sana nga South Pacific. Sangga region misalnya ma.
Maldives.
Ya sa
Egypt. Afrika.
Iyo.
North Africa, South Africa.
Iyo. Ma.
Teman-teman bosan ni. Teman-teman bosan ni. Panda bosan pa along kata gibi seru sih itu. Martul lako mai.
Seru sih. O sa ere yo mo la sarang amay. Yo no la amay la anton mai kuno sir tom bitsila ni mai. Betele bitinga maram.
Ko tama muy wow.
O tama amu wow amu lili chongore.
Ena leu ni me.
Hey, bote na muy leu ni me. Okay, salah mai ani. Amada ka bitsili.
Iyo cabor tokingo. Terus talen ko na hotel lah. Namunta ka ng Batsintano. Iyo, may rotal tunga na shopping. Eh, isa ang rin ng bin.
Pero lama irusi yan doon nga may bag. Yan doon nga mga bag. Yung ko, ito gilis yung ko. Pero kaya nung gumano ko rin naman.